Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the search engine optimization video series. In this video, I'll show you how to use the keyword research tool in Semrush. Semrush is one of the best SEO tools that you can use to improve search engine ranking of your website. Before creating any content for your website, you should do a proper keyword research. And for that, you can use the Semrush Keyword Research Tool. If you do not have Semrush account, you can start with the 14 days free trial of any paid account. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to start with the free trial, you can use my link in the description box. Or you can also sign up for a free account in which you will get a limited access to all the tools in Semrush. Here I'm using a 14 days free trial of the paid account. When you create an account on Semrush, you will be on the dashboard, and in the left hand panel you will see the option Keyword Research. So you can go to Keyword Overview, and here you can enter the keyword for which you want to create content for your website. For example, I want to create content for this keyword, digital marketing. If you want to analyze more keywords, you can also enter more keywords, but here I'm going to use only one keyword. Below that you will see country. You can select the country. Currently it is set to United States. If you want to analyze that particular keyword for a particular country, then you can enter the country. You can change the country later also. Here I'm going to use United States and I'm going to click on search. Now you will get the data for this particular keyword, digital marketing. Here you will see the country is selected to United States. If you want to change it, you can change it now. And these are the results for the desktop. You can also change it to mobile, and you will see slightly different results for the mobile device. I'm going to change it to desktop, and this is the today's date. The data generated is for the today's date. Here you will see the currency, that is United States dollar. Under overview, you will see the volume for this keyword in the country. Currently we have set it to United States. So you will see the volume for this keyword for the United States. Currently it shows 165K. And the keyword difficulty is 98%. That means this keyword is very hard to rank on a new website. If your website is new, then you should look for the keyword which has low keyword difficulty. 98% is really high. Next to that, you will see global volume. Apart from United States, what is the global volume for this keyword? Here you will see the global volume is 887.3K. And most of the volume is coming from India. Then you will see United States, then Pakistan, UK and Bangladesh. You will see a specific volume for each country. Next to that, you will see intent. What is the intent of this particular keyword? You will see informational as well as commercial. Informational, that means the user wants to find an answer to a specific question. And commercial means the user wants to investigate brands or services regarding this particular keyword. Next to that, you will see CPC, that is cost per click. If you want to run ad for this particular keyword, then this is the approximate price that you need to pay for each click. That is $5.08. Below that, you will see competitive density and ads. Currently, there are 23 ads running for this keyword. Next to that, you will see keyword ideas, and under keyword ideas, you will see three different sections: keyword variations, questions, and keyword strategy. Under keyword variations, you will see there are approximately 200K keyword variation that you will find. The main keyword is digital marketing, and you will see some variations are there. Digital marketing agency, what is digital marketing company. Next to that, you will see the volume for that particular keyword and the difficulty of that particular keyword. Next to that, you will see questions. What type of questions are asked using this keyword? For example, the first question is, what is digital marketing? In this question, you will see the keyword is added. What is digital marketing? And the volume for this question is 27.1K. That means approximately 27,000 people are asking the same question in a month. And the keyword difficulty for this question is 72. Below that, you will see another question, that is how to start digital marketing. The volume is definitely low for this keyword. However, the keyword difficulty is also low. That means you can try to rank for this particular keyword. You can create content around this keyword and try to rank your content higher in the search engine results. This is also low keyword difficulty question, that is digital marketing legit, and the volume is 1.6K. So you will see approximately 206,000 keyword variations and 9,800 questions using this keyword. Next to that, you will see keyword strategy. Using this, you can get the topics, pillar and sub pages automatically. This tool is going to give you a strategy to create content around this keyword. If I click on it, it will open a keyword strategy. It takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes to generate a strategy around this keyword. I have already clicked on this view all, and you will see the strategy is created using this tool. You will see this is the keyword strategy builder for the keyword digital marketing. Database is United States and this is the currency, and the seed keyword is digital marketing. Topical overview, that is 10 topics and 537 pages that you can create around this keyword. So there will be 10 topics and each topic will have some sub pages that you can link back to that main topic. For example, you will see some topics are here. Let me zoom out. So this is the first topic, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 different topics are there and different subtopics are there. If I scroll down, you will see all pages will be 537. Best for strategy will be 117. Easy start 263. Best keyword difficulty and volume combination. Quick conversation is 221 and more potential is 266. So if I scroll down again, this is going to be a pillar page, digital marketing plan, and there will be 58 sub pages for this particular keyword. You will see digital marketing easy or hard, how to become digital marketer, digital product creation. This shows high potential. Keywords 3 intent is informational and keyword difficulty is 40. Comparatively, it is less difficult and the volume is also 1.2K per month. If I scroll down, you will see another topic. This is the second topic, digital marketing trends. Volume is approximately 51,000 and average keyword is 50. So this is going to be the first main pillar page topic, and these are the sub pages which you can create around this pillar page. So what you can do, you can create different topics and around those topics you can create sub pages. The sub pages will link back to the main page, that is the pillar page, and the pillar page is going to link back to your main keyword page. So if you want to create articles or the content around the main keyword, which is really very hard to rank, then you can use the keyword strategy builder, create pillar pages, and around these pillar pages you can create sub pages. So definitely you can use the keyword strategy builder to get the ideas about the content that you want to create. So let's go back, and below that you will see SERP analysis, that is search engine ranking page analysis. For this particular keyword, which websites are already ranking higher. So this is going to be the first search engine result when you type in the keyword digital marketing in Google search. So you will see MailChimp is ranking at the top. Then this is the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So you will see first 10 results. If I go to 11 to 20, you will see next 10 results for this particular keyword. Let's go back. Now, if you go to the first result, you will see this is the referring domain. How many backlinks does it have? This page has more than 4,000 backlinks coming to this page. Search traffic is 3.4K per month. So this page is getting more than 3.4K traffic every month. And URL keywords, apart from this particular keyword, this page is ranking for these keywords also. Below that you will see people also ask, that is nothing but the questions, and for the questions these websites are ranking higher. You can see the second result is getting more search traffic. The second result is getting 35.7K and it has more than 10,000 backlinks. Right now, let's go to keyword variation. You can see that we have different keyword variations. If I click on it, and it will give you the list of keyword variations which you can use. The main keyword is digital marketing, which is really very hard to rank if you are running a new website. So instead of going for difficult keyword, you can go for low difficulty keyword. So these are the variations for this keyword: digital marketing agency. What is digital marketing? Now you can filter these keywords. Let's say I want to filter by volume. So I'm going to look for the keyword which has 1000 to 10,000 monthly searches, and I'm looking for a keyword with less difficulty. So I'm going for easy. So let's search for easy. So we are now filtering the keyword variation. For intent, I'm going to keep it as it is. Cost per click, let's leave it as it is. If you want to exclude keyword, you can also exclude keywords. Now you will see we have 6 different results, and this keyword has volume of 2400, this one has 1900, this one has 1600, and keyword difficulty is less than 30. So you can create content around these keywords, and you can try to generate traffic to these keywords. Let's change the keyword difficulty. Let's make it possible, which is less than 50. So you will see good search volume for these keywords. There are 29 keywords and total search volume is around 63,000, and average keyword difficulty is 41%. So this one also looks good to me. Digital marketing near me, then volume is 6600, keyword difficulty is 32. So you can filter the keyword variations and look for a keyword which has less keyword difficulty score. Let's go back. These are the questions. Let's open all the questions. All right, so you will see what is digital marketing. This is the first question, which has a volume of 27,000 and keyword difficulty is 72. So again, I'm going to look for keyword difficulty less than 50%, and I'm not going to filter according to volume. Let's focus on the keyword difficulty only. This one looks good. How to start digital marketing. Volume is around 2400 and difficulty is 39. How to get into digital marketing. This one also has 1300 volume, difficulty is 40%. So you can see that once we enter a main keyword in the keyword research tool, it is going to give you a lot of data which you can use to create content around the main keyword. If the main keyword is hard to rank, then look for less difficult keyword with good search volume and try to create a content around that particular keyword. Let's suppose this is the keyword how to start digital marketing, and the country selected for this one is United States. I'm going to change it to India, and you will see the change in the data. So if I want to create content around this one, I can simply click on this keyword and let's look for the overview of this particular keyword. Now this is going to be the main keyword, and the global volume is 6.8K. In India it is 1.6K, difficulty is 49. Now for this main keyword, you will see different keyword variations. How to start digital marketing, how to start a digital marketing company, how to start digital marketing business. So these are the keyword variations. These are the questions, and again you can use the keyword strategy for this particular keyword, for this main keyword. Now when you click on view all, it is going to give you pillar pages and sub pages for this main keyword. So you can click on this keyword strategy builder and get the idea about the content that you can create around this keyword. So similarly for this keyword, it will give you pillar pages and sub pages like this. So if you are looking for ideas to create content around a particular keyword, then you can definitely try using the keyword strategy builder. If you are new to Semrush, you can start with the 14 days free trial of a paid plan. If you want to start with the free trial, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.